Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we will make beautiful bells with stained glass effect using only this part of the plastic bottle. Also, we will learn a new trick of how to get frosted look on plastic. So let's get on to the process. Previously, we made these bells using top parts of different plastic bottles. Now we will make another kind of bells with stained glass effect. First, we will remove label from the bottle and then cut top part of the bottle. As this part of the bottle is very hard, it's not easy to cut it. So heat an old knife and use it to cut the bottle. We can do this while cooking to avoid wasting the gas. Make marking on the bottle to get desired shape of a bell and cut it along the marking using a cutter. So this is the part we require to make it as a bell. We can remove the print on the bottle very easily using nail paint remover. Now make a design on the bottle using Fevicryl 3D liner. The design can be of your choice, but preferably a continuous design. Here I am making a simple design of continuous leaves. This is how it looks after finished making the design. Now we will start filling the design using Fevicryl glass colors. Here I am using only two colors, that is crystal green and golden yellow. As you are seeing, the bottle is not flat, it is in round shape. The glass colors tend to flow and smudge easily. So always better to make a small design instead of going for a big design. After applying the color, rest the bottle in one place. I suggest to keep a cloth underneath so that the bottle doesn't move or rotate. While filling the color, don't be in a hurry to finish at one go. Fill the colors in small part of the design, rest it till it dries. Anyway, glass colors don't take much time to get dry. If you are making more number of bells, you can save time by painting the other bells while waiting for the first one to dry. After filling the paint in entire design, this is how it looks. But the issue is because the bottle is round and transparent, I feel the design looks like all mixed up. Don't you think so? So to overcome that issue, I came up with a new and innovative idea. I am painting the bottle from inside using Fevicryl fabric color, and the color what I am using is yellow ochre. So do you want to see the result? Here it is. In fact, after painting from inside, the glass colors and the design are visibly clear and looking beautiful. I really loved the outcome. How about you? Now the bottles are ready with paint. We will cover the unfinished part using M-Seal. Stick a bead in the center before M-Seal becomes hard, so that no need of using glue here to stick the bead. Okay, the bells are ready to hang now. I got these beads chains made from outside using a metal wire so that I can hang these bells outdoors as well. Otherwise, you can put a string and then add some beads to it to hang the bell. Now let's make the other decor. Do you remember where we have used this bottle? Yes, while making Christmas decor, I mentioned that the shape of this part of the bottle is quite interesting and not to discard. So here I came up with a simple idea with a different trick. Normally we paint any bottle or container with acrylic color, but here take little Fevicol, add 2-3 drops of glass color and then add little acrylic color to get required shade. Mix well and apply on the bottle with brush. Here you have to be little quick as Fevicol gets dried fast. As soon as applying the color, start dabbing with sponge, but don't overdo the dabbing. Once the paint is dry, you will get a frosted look with a smooth finish. Stick jute coir on the base using Fevicol. Here you can see the difference between only acrylic color and the mix of Fevicol, acrylic and glass colors. In acrylic color, you can see the tea candle which we placed inside, which is not appealing to the eyes. Whereas in mixed colors, because of its frosted effect, the tea candle is not visible. I feel placing a tea candle inside makes it look exactly like a lantern. Don't you think so? Now you can display it either as a hanging lantern or just display it as it is without any candle, which equally looks beautiful. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you like the ideas which I shared with you all today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon for more such creative ideas. I wish you all a very happy new year, and let's all make a resolution to keep our surroundings more eco-friendly and be more responsible. See you all in my next video next year. Thank you.